Are you all Delhiites or you are from some other state and actors in film? Great. Outside Delhi. Most probably, college would get open next year. So I hope if you all join our club, we will meet soon. Oh, Darjeeling, great. Lakama, Kevin. Great. Okay, so starting with our event, I would like to ask you all what you have thought of EBSB Club. Like, what are your pre-assumptions about our club? Like, what is it about? Like, any thoughts you can share in the chat box or switch on your mics. Like the full form of EBSB or the aim behind it. Yes, guys. कुछ तो सोचा होगा तभी ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया.
The I was, can I
Yeah.
speak?
Yeah, sure.
So I was in NSS last year, and like in my school, I was in NSS. So we did certain activities during the EBSB week. It was the northeast of India, I guess, last year. The
Yeah.
So what we did was we basically had quizzes and all. Since it was all online, so we couldn't do so much of things. But yeah, we did like online activities. Like some of us prepared. There was also a drawing competition
Yeah.
in which we had to represent the like, basically the culture of Sikkim and the other northeast. I don't remember. There was one more thing. We also did like dance and music competitions online,
Yeah.
and we did participate in a lot of quizzes and stuff.
Yeah.
So yes, that
Great.
is it. So I
Yeah.
guess we'll do the same or something similar to that here in
Yeah.
this club.
Yeah, surely. Okay, so I think we can start. Other people can join in between. How many participants? 34. Okay. So anything in the chat? Okay. Uh, Shirishta, I think I am pronouncing the name correctly. Okay, so we will be explaining everything today, like the aim of our club, the working, the whole team structure, and what we do in the events. Everything we will be explaining today. Okay, so I guess we can start. Council, can we? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so hello everyone, good evening, and thank you for joining. I am Sneha Vashisht, and I am the president of EBSB Club for the session 2020 2021. So, today we will be starting with our orientation session next. Coming up with the guidelines of today's event, you can switch off your mic and open your cameras for a better experience, or vice versa is also accepted. Malicious sounds and activities are not expected from the audience. The audience can present their doubts for questions by posting them in the chat box. We have also included a separate section for question answer round in the end of the session. So kindly stay back. The participants have to fill the feedback form whose link will be shared at the end of the session in the chat box itself. Yeah. Okay, so what we are waiting for, it's the time. I will be letting you know about what is EBSB Club. So EBSB Club of SRCSW program aims to enhance interaction and promote mutual understanding between people of different states union territories through the concept of state union territories pairing. So basically, every state and union territory in our country is paired with each other. Coming to the next slide, the idea of a sustained and structured cultural connect between people of different regions was mooted by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi during the Rashtriya Ekta Divas held on 31st October 2015 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Coming to Club of our college, it has been created under the initiative Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat campaign of Government of India. So the full form of EBSB Club is Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat. Under this initiative, the states and the union territories of the nation are paired with each other. So for the Delhi, we have been paired with Sikkim. So our paired state is Sikkim. We at EBSB conduct various engaging activities that promote the cultural traditions, folklore, and cuisine of Sikkim, including webinars, movie screening, and exchange programs. You can switch on your videos, no problem in that. Coming to the events, I would like to bring on Sakshi for explaining all the events we have done till now.
Thank you, Sneha. As for the events, our club have to organize at least one event per month. Some of our successful events were a panel discussion on journey of Indian media since independence, which was under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative launched by Government of India. During the event, question asked to the panelists were discussed. We had very wonderful, enthusiastic, and experienced panelists who were Ms. Sweta Kothari, Mr. Sivang Mathur, and Mr. Utkarsh Upadhyay. During the session, we came across great knowledge on how far an Indian media has come in 75 years and how Indian media played its role in unifying the citizens and creating a movement of independence. Coming up for the next event, we had national level. Sorry, one second, guys. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Uh, we had national level online inter-school drawing competition where the theme was Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Here, a huge participation was seen through different schools all over India where any age group of student would participate. You can see beautiful drawing on your screen. The event was very successful and well oriented. We got a chance to visualize beautiful pictures and learn a lot from them. So next we had Food the Clock. With lockdown, we were not only missing the streets but also the street food. Some of us who had a routine of momo and pani puri were trying to cope up with homemade alternatives and so we organized a competition called Food the Clock where the participants needed to click a picture of Sikkim dish they prepared. The pictures were posted on our social media account for the race to be the best. The event saw enthusiastic participation from different colleges as well. Coming up with the next event, we had poster making and slogan writing competition. You can see on your screen some of the posters made by our participants. The theme for poster making was cultural fusion of Delhi and Sikkim, and they could submit the entries either any form home handmade or digital. For the next slide, you can see some of slogans where the theme was Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, which was submitted in any of the two languages, English or Hindi. The aim for this event was to make the participants look for the cultural similarities and differences and make them blend it all in a seamless manner to know a sense of cultural understanding. For the next event, we had our annual cultural fest organized for 3 days long known as EBSB Conclave where one event were organized each day. On the first day, we had organized an event named Presenter State in a unique way where participants can sing, dance, dress up, recite a poem in the traditional attire. It was an annual cultural fest for 3 days. For the next day, we had a webinar, Sikkim Cultural Legacy and its Preservation, which was addressed by Honorable Miss Triseng Chingampa, Joint Director, Education Department, Government of Sikkim for 4 years. For the last day, we had Muse. We had organized Muse, a fun-filled musical and cultural night with fun and games. The day three and the conclusion of EBSB Conclave. Soulful performance by Miss Roshni Tamang and Mr. Ansu Sinha, which made our evening. For the next, we have Anuhar Chitrakari, a face painting competition. EBSB Club have organized in the collaboration with Alvira, the Fine Art Society, a face painting competition on the theme Zaru Sinha, also known as Anuhar Chitrakarita. In Sikkim, special masks showing different god, goddess, and animals are made up of wood known as Zaru are used during the festivals and religious ceremony. So, using the same concept of Zaru Singha, the participant had to convert the art into a beautiful face painting. The aim to organize the event was to motivate the participants to learn about ancient craft of Jaru Singha of Sikkim. You can see beautiful pictures on your screen. For the next, for this year, our college have planned a NAC visit for the gradation college. So every society and club have to prepare both to represent their own societies. So in continuation to that, ABSB club have decorated and aim on our board. We have shared our board with Anicel, which is also part of our college. On our board, we have put up our council pictures, the aim of events which we had done till now and which we have showcased working on our club on the board. For the next up, I would like to invite Tanya Jan to continue this session.
Hello, everyone. So let's talk about the structure of EPSP. We have 7 council members: the president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, PR manager, designer, and HR manager. Along with the council head, there are team heads who assist their respective council heads with the management of the respective team. The team heads are appointed by the council heads, who they find suitable for the position by observing each member of their group. Now, moving further, let me explain you the responsibilities and duties of each team. The creative team of EBSB is responsible for designing posters, stories that have to be uploaded on various social media handles, and in fact, this whole presentation was designed by the creative team. Canva is the most used application for designing purpose, but you are most welcome to use any other application. Coming to the content and research team, as the name suggests, this team is responsible to look for appropriate content on the topic decided. To give an example, you might have all once gone through the brochure of EBSB that was distributed through the WhatsApp. The content for the same was provided to the creative team by the content and research team. Next team we have a sponsorship team. This team contacts various brands and companies to find potential sponsors who, for an event in exchange for reviews, advertisement, or a webinar, etc., can provide us funds. The fourth team is the public relations team or the social media team, responsible for managing the various social media handles of EBSB. Along with this, they need to come up with ideas or follow trends to keep our accounts up to date and increase our reach. Now let me introduce you to the team of EBSB. Our teacher convener is Dr. Manisha Khatri. She's a professor in the biomedical department, and probably few of you already have her as your professor. Next, the president of EBSB is Sneha Vashishta from Computer Science Department. Vice President is Sakshi Prasad from Maths Department. Secretary is me, Tanya Jain, from Statistics Department. Our treasurer is Ariba Ali from the Department of Instrumentation. HR manager is Prachi Rikari from Computer Science Department. Designer is Anjali Kundalia from Computer Science Department. And the PR manager is Gunjan Agarwal from Department of Management Studies. Now, if you guys have any doubts or questions, you can put them forward now. You can either unmute yourself or send them in the chat box. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi, and thank you, Tanya. Now, you all are welcome to post your questions in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself. Yes, guys, come on, come up with the questions. We are here to fulfill your all the doubts. We will clear them all, so please post them in the chat box.
Yes, everyone. So, what we did till now was all one way, but now we need your support and your interaction as well. So, if you have any doubts, queries, or anything, you're most welcome. Okay. What qualifications do we require to get into designing and
Okay, so I guess
graphics team?
Anjali can answer this better. She's the designer of our club. Anjali, you can take the question from Ananya.
Manisha, for joining the group, we'll be sharing a link or a form. You will just have to fill that. And then an interview will be there. If you get selected, most welcome.
Uh, the requirements for joining, uh, you just have to be part of our college. This is the basic requirement.
Yes.
So you all are eligible for joining our club. Okay, so for basically for joining, we will be having two rounds. First round will be from the forms. We will be circulating forms within 2 days from now, and you all have to fill your basic details and what you think about Sikkim and what are you planning to do in the club. Like, what are your ideas basically? So, matlab, which we can implement to make our club more functional. So you have to fill that form. The second step will be the interview. So we will be taking your interview. Like, it will be a very general interview, like what you have filled in the form. We will be asking questions from them only. So these two are only criteria and the steps or procedure for joining EBSD club. You all are most welcome. We will be circulating form in 2 days. You all are most welcome to fill in the form. Yes, next question. Yes, guys.
Any more questions, girls?
Do you pair with only Sikkim? As for now, it is done by the government of India. So Delhi is paired with Sikkim only. So we have to promote the values and the culture of Sikkim from our club. Also, there was a question for the qualifications of social media team, as Gunjan is not here. So basically, in social media team, you have to follow the trend. Like you all can see on Instagram, reels are so much booming. So you have to keep an eye on what is the trend going on the social media so that we can post it on our page. So you have to keep an eye on that and forward your ideas to the creative team so that they can come up with the posters or reels and stuff. You just have to provide the idea for
Yes.
the social media and the uploading part. Like, we also have a YouTube channel, so posting YouTube videos and posting on other social media handles, that's your duty. Yeah, there will be a interview round that will be very much easy. Uh, Basically, the first step is to fill the form, which we will be circulating. It will have some of the basic questions like what do you think about Sikkim, or do you have any connections in Sikkim? And there will be a question like what are your ideas about our club. So there will be general questions. You have to answer them. Then we will be having an interview round. Uh, on that basis, we will be selecting people for new members. Like next question, Sikkim is nearby from where I live. If I ever travel, something related to tourism can be. Uh, Shall we? I think your question is not clear. Can you unmute yourself? Oh, it was suggestion. Okay, okay, great. Like we have also planned student exchange programs. Like we can tie up with Sikkim students from their EBSPs who are paired with Delhi, so that we can organize a student exchange program. We can also do it offline. Like we can physically go to Sikkim if you all are planning to do so. We are also great to go. We are good to go there. But as of now, the things will be online. So
Yes,
we
but
will,
we will be going for a heritage visit, right?
yeah, like that will be in Delhi.
Hmm.
The skills is basically this club will be providing you a platform to grow your skills. Like you will be communicating with many other people from many other colleges. So this will increase your communication skills, also personality development, and communication skill is a plus one. Also, apart from that, you will be gaining much more knowledge about designing stuff, like leadership qualities and how to work in a team. So, in the first year, as you all know, that the academic pressure is low, so you all can grab this opportunity to join as many clubs in society as you can join, so that it can be a good in your CV as well. Yes, next question. Any other question?
If you guys don't have any question, we can move on to the next section. That is going to be interactive and interesting as well.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
If
first year,
you
please show some enthusiasm.
if you don't have any questions, please write no in the chat box.
All right. So, here we start up with the next section. Now, here we have an interesting game for you, right? So, I would like and advise you all to please stay and please answer this. Yes. So what we did till now was all about EBSB, that what we do as a club and what our members are, what we are doing, and all that. Now coming to the orientation part, so this is the section 2 of today's program. That is, we are going to give you a task. Here we have presented some movies, like we'll be giving you certain dialogues or lyrics, and your work is to identify from which movie it has been. Anjali is saying something. Yeah, the volume is not there, I guess, audio.
I guess she's saying that there can be a high volume in between the presentation. Also, for this round, I would like to ask everybody
ऑडियो
to
नहीं आ रहा है
please. Please
No, no,
unmute.
audio is not there.
Sure.
You can share your
Yes.
single tab.
Guys, this is gonna be a contest. So you can unmute yourself and tell the answers, or you can write in the chat box. Most welcome. So let's get started. Yes. So ready, everyone? Shall we proceed?
Yes.
See, I'll try my best. You guys can unmute yourselves, tell anything about the movie you remember. It has to be interactive. We don't, it doesn't matter if you join our society or not, simply. But today, you are here, so we want, you could not get freshers and all. So please, यहाँ पर be interactive and जितना कर सकते हो chill out and tell the movies and all. So I'm starting, okay? Guess which movie dialogue is this? हम तो किसी दूसरे की धरती पर नजर भी नहीं डालते, लेकिन इतने भी नालायक बच्चे भी नहीं कि कोई हमारी धरती माँ पर नजर डाले और हम चुपचाप देखते रहें. You have 10 seconds to answer. Anjali. Not an issue. Try. Sure. Kashika, Aishwarya, the answer was being there. You guys cheated or you know it? Unmute yourselves. No problem. No worries. हम तो किसी दूसरे की धरती पर नजर भी नहीं डालते, लेकिन इतने भी नालायक बच्चे भी नहीं कि कोई हमारी धरती माँ पर नजर डाले और हम चुपचाप देखते रहें. Yes. So we have got answers in the chat box. Don't know if you guys cheated or you already knew that. So the answers are border. Yes. Well, this dialogue was being said by Sunny Deol. Cool. Next question. So guys, this one is quite tricky. So, okay, let's go. Well, guess which movie song is this? Now, this is not something which we hear or मतलब बहुत सुना हुआ नहीं है, but the movie is very famous, right? I'm going for it. तू कहीं भी छुपे, ढूंढ ले वो तुझे, बाजी है जान की, जान दे जान ले, आन है तो शान है. अब अगर इसकी जगह में शायद कोई और सॉन्ग देती तो you would have guessed it easily. But here, no, it's not Bazigar. It's not Bazigar. I know I'm sounding like SRK, but it's not Bazigar.
Kargil.
हाँ, you say.
Anjali, can we increase the volume a little bit? Prachi is not here.
No, volume
No, decrease.
In fact, there is no need of volume as such.
Yeah.
Yeah. तू कहीं भी छुपे, ढूंढ ले वो तुझे, बाजी है जान की, जान दे जान ले, आन है तो शान है. अगर मैं इसकी जगह पे कोई और सॉन्ग दूँ, I'm sure you guys wanna guess it. दूँ क्या?
Yes.
रुस्तम सुना है? टाइटल सॉन्ग था उसका. If in place of that song I would have given you देखा हजारों दफा आपको, so you would have guessed it enough. ठीक है, लेकिन अभी I know. Yes, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है, जिंदाबाद रहेगा. Gadar is the right answer. Kudos to all those who attempted. चलो, इसका बताना. ये गगन है मगन, तुम्हें तो दिए हुए सितारे, भगवन ये जीवन, तुम्हें ना तो क्या कोई सवारी, ओ पार
लगान.
हारे. या लगान, लगन नहीं लगान. यस ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमारा कौन नहीं। लगान इज द करेक्ट आंसर। यस कीप गोइंग गुड जॉब। चलो इसका बताओ। Yeah, if we have singers here, because I am a bathroom singer, I don't am like
Yeah,
not a
if
good
we
singer.
have any singers,
So
we
please,
can have
you're
them
most
at the
welcome.
end of this session.
And not only singer, if you have to share something regarding any of the movies which have been shown, you are most welcome. If you have any memory associated with it, most welcome. चलो इसका बताओ। आप लोगों को बस पीठ पर वार करना आता है, हम हिंदुस्तानियों ने पीठ दिखाना सीखा ही नहीं। यस आंसर प्लीज, दिमाग चलाओ।
ये
इसी
सबको
में ना?
पता होगा, थोड़ा सोचो।
Oh, Sarabji, who was this?
खुशी चौधरी।
Chrissy is being good. Anybody else or any other option you want to go for? माँ तुझे सलाम। Nice. Good. सब ले आओ इंडिया वाले। Sarabji. Okay, Pooja. So let's go with the majority.
लॉक कर
Anjali?
दो।
Lock कर दो Sarabji को। Very nice. Yes,
Great.
it is the correct answer indeed. Good work, Sushi and Pooja. And Aishwarya, nice guess. Maybe next time. Yeah. Next one. Next slide, please. Anjali, okay, fine. Guess which movie song is this? देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। आई एम रिपीटिंग, देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। Indeed, a lot of answers for Manikarnika.
Great participation, guys.
Great. Thank you so much, and I know it would have been interesting for you also.
Yes, if anybody wants to sing a song, you are most welcome.
Yeah, please. This one is very easy, huh? It's very famous. I don't know how to speak it exactly, but yeah, it's very famous. मुसलमान का खून, ये हिंदू का खून। बता इसमें मुसलमान का कौन सा और हिंदू का कौन सा? Very famous. And here I want the name of the actor. Very good, Nanya. I mean, I got it. Nana Patekar. Yeah, Nana Patekar. Now, which movie? Shall we movie? Don't know. She don't know. Okay, fine. Well, I don't watch, but yeah, she was mean, so she knows it was Nana Patekar. Okay. Kranti. Yeah, Shashika. Getting it right. Kranti, what Kranti? क्रांतिकारी क्या है बताओ? क्रांति वीर। Yes, it's क्रांति वीर. Coming to the next. This is a song, यार. तलवारों पे तलवार दी, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग लगाया है. Kesari was there in the song itself, yeah. Plus very famous. Nice. Good. It was not against Hindi. Nice answer, yeah. Guess which movie dialogue is this? पिंजरे में कैद हो जाना नहीं, पिंजरा तोड़ के उड़ जाना है. YJHD, अनन्या, ये जो आ रही है दिवाली, why would we use this movie है? Oh. But yeah, I love the answer. वो बनी वाला डायलॉग डिफरेंट है. I know it sounds similar. पिंजरे में कैद हो जाना नहीं, पिंजरा तोड़ के उड़ जाना है. Any more guesses, guys? Otherwise, we'll tell you. Yeah. खुशी is getting. Oh, खुशी को सारी बिल्कुल different movies का dialogue है. गुंजन सक्सेना, right? The Kargil girl, Gunjan Saxena. Cool. Indeed, great acting by both. Janhvi is acting also, and the father, Pankaj Tripathi, both of them.
MS Dhoni, The Untold Story.
Yeah, this one.
Great.
पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब, बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ. And everybody knows वो sister brother वाला combination is very nice, beautiful. Yeah. MSD, yeah.
Right answer.
Cool, great answer. Good. Fine. Now this one is क्या बोली, सबको पता होगा ये भी. एक फौजी के रुतबे से बड़ा कोई और रुतबा नहीं होता, वर्दी की शान से बड़ी कोई और शान नहीं होती, और अपने देश से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता. The one and only शहीद भगत सिंह कॉलेज के alumni, not from our college but yeah from भगत सिंह, Mr. सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा का है ये. Yeah, शेरशाह.
Yeah,
Exactly, my
mine
favorite.
too. My favorite.
Yeah. Now this is very easy, हाँ. This is easy. मुझे स्टेट्स के नाम ना सुनाई देते हैं ना दिखाई देते हैं, सिर्फ एक मुल्क का नाम सुनाई देता है, इंडिया. चक दे इंडिया. ये डी या सीढ़िया या चक दे इंडिया. चलो इसको आयल से. थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू गौराई से मस्त पवन की, ला 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 ला. अब आगे देख लो.
And we have answered that.
Yes, रंग दे बसंती. या. Indeed. Good job. चलो ये बताओ. हर मजहब का एहतराम और बर्दाश्त करने की चाहत है, आने वाले हिंदुस्तान को सुनहरा बना सकती है. दिस इज क्वाइट. थोड़ा पीछे चले जाओ, मिलेगा. इंडिया बेस्ड भी है. इफ यू वांट आई कैन गिव यू द एक्टर एंड एक्ट्रेस एज वेल. रिपीटिंग. हर मजहब का एहतराम और बर्दाश्त करने की चाहत ही आने वाले हिंदुस्तान को सुनहरा बना सकती है. Here the actor and actress is. बताओ. If I'm going to tell you the combo, you will be guessing it in a second. That's Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya. Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya. Exactly, Kushi. Good. Anybody know? Yeah. कहने को जश्न बहारा है. Yes, this one only. Next slide. अब इसकी लिरिक्स थोड़ी कंफ्यूजिंग है, बट इफ आई गिव यू द सॉन्ग यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है, कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे, उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे. अब इसको अगर मैं अच्छे से गाऊं, क्योंकि ये बीच का है. कहता है पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल. Yes, the one and only Kavita Sethi voice में this song जीते हैं चल by in the movie Neerja. Yes. And this time our council member is also like Neerja. Tanya Jai. Okay, Tanya ji. Yes, and she said let's go for Neerja. Cool. This says guess which movie dialogue is this? अपनी माटी की हमेशा इज्जत करना, क्योंकि जितना इज्जत तुम माटी की करोगे उतनी ही इज्जत माटी से तुम्हें मिलेगी. किसकी है ये? बताओ. यस, दंगल बोल दिया. यस. माटी इज दंगल. या कूल. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. अब अगर इसमें भी मैं दूसरा सॉन्ग देती हूँ, यू वुड हैव गेस्ड इट, बट ओके. मुश्किल वक्त में भी ना हम खोए हौसला, मिलके साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला, मिट्टी हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है, बस तेरी ही खातिर जान ये सरफरोश है.
सरफरोश.
It's a tricky one. Raji, you can give a hint.
Oh, my mic was off. Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Any guesses? I'll give you other song otherwise. मुश्किल वक्त में भी ना हम खोए हौसला मिलके साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला मिट्टी हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है बस तेरी ही खातिर जान ये सरफरोश है इफ आई एम गिविंग यू द नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग इन द सेम मूवी इट वुड बी जिद्दी दिल दिल ये जिद्दी है यस मैरी कॉम ब्रिंग इन मोर cool correct answer is indeed Mary Kom.
Why do I feel some people are actually searching it on Google?
Because they are maybe they are doing the same and it's good even they are doing at least they're trying.
Yeah, they are putting effort.
Exactly, and their effort
That's
can
Yeah.
be seen. And that's good because they are getting noticed. So good, go for it. अब ये सब डीओ वाले हैं तो ओबी तो करनी है तो अभी से they are preparing
Yeah.
themselves in the first year itself.
Okay, next question.
Next question. हाँ good this girl is not sorted. Rishima is अपने ही पानी में पिघल जाना बर्फ का मुकद्दर होता है. She knows it by heart. Swadesh, yeah. Cool, next. वतन पे मरने वाले जिंदा रहेगा तेरा नाम तू वो सूरज है कि जिसकी कभी न होगी शाम वतन पे मरने वाले जिंदा रहेगा तेरा नाम तू वो सूरज है कि जिसकी कभी न होगी शाम शहीद yes Rishma I don't know if you googled it this time Shaheed have you all watched it or you are like googling it what is it you can unmute yourself yes that's Shaheed do we have more okay so here comes the end we are done with it hope the second part would have been more interesting for you we all love games
Thank
and
you,
all
Prachi, Gunjan, and Anjali for organizing this game. It was very fun. Now comes to the freshers. You all are welcome. You can sing or share any experience, anything you want. You are most welcome. Guys, अब चुप हो गए बोलो.
try if there is any dialogue even if the movie is not India based you can
Yeah,
or
Aishwarya,
any song you want to
Anushka,
share
Pooja,
because when I was
Kushi.
asking you people for the introduction in the group I remember there were many artists there were many singers there were people who were
Yeah.
interested in dancing singing and whatnot so yeah
Many
most
people
welcome
have their YouTube channels. You can tell us
yes
anything about that as well. Anya, you will be starting. No problem. We have recorded the session. Also, I will give you the summary at the end, like what we all do.
Yes, no worries for the starting part. We'll be sharing that. I think the interesting part was the game part. The people who attended it live, that was fun for them. Orientation, they'll be
Yeah.
able to see. If they come in our society, we'll be telling you everything, the working and everything you'll learn. But I think the important part or the interesting one would be the game part because that was something new for you all.
Yeah, and don't leave the meeting right now. We will be sharing the feedback form with you all. You have to fill
Yes.
that first.
And if possible, please turn on your cameras and all so that we can have a group picture
Group
since you guys
picture.
attended till the end. Thank you for being so patient with us. Yeah, and I'm sure that if you were there till the end, you would have got something, thrill or something you would have received.
Yeah,
No worries, like if you wanna just go for it.
I guess we can have a group picture first. Then we can ask them to share anything they
Yes,
want.
yes.
Yes, council members and freshers, you all can switch on your videos. Yes, I can see Manisha, Gitanjali, Anjali, Nisha, Aishwarya. Yes, guys, come on. Tanu, Pooja, Priya, Kushi. गाइस कैमरा ऑन कर लो, सब ऐसे रहते हैं घर में।
हाँ, घर पे ऐसे ही रहते हैं, सीरियसली।
हाँ, पूजा। फिर
हाय
गाइस कम
पूजा।
ऑन। खुशी, गरिमा।
Yeah, more people in. Don't worry, we are not posting
गाइस
it
व्हाई
somewhere
आर
wrong.
यू
Just
लीविंग?
open it up. It's very chill. See, what we are wearing is also very, very like we're sitting like that. It's a club activity. It's for your refreshment, not
या
for taking pressures. Come.
या आई कैन सी खुशी, दिशा, तनु। गाइस जल्दी खोलो, फोटो लेनी है। अनन्या।
Oh, Khushi is outdoors.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
But thanks for being so active. Thank you.
या ओके, वी कैन हैव पिक्चर।
Sure.
ओके, डन।
Done, guys. Done.
Yeah. Till then, we can post the feedback form in the chat box. Anjali, post कर दो. Till then, you can all share your experience about yourself, your hometown, anything you would like to share. Are most welcome. Don't leave the meeting till you have filled the feedback form. Let us know once you are done. Then you can leave the meeting. Yeah. The form is in the chat box. Please fill it out. And then you can tell us anything about yourself. गाइस कैसे भी बोल सकते हैं, बोलो।
And it's okay. If you are tired, we can end it. No problem. No, like it's fine.
Yeah. Okay, so you can tell us the meaning of your name.
I hope most of you would have checked it on Urban Dictionaries this time. So,
Yeah. So starting with the A, you can start it with from Aishwarya. You can
Hello everyone.
hi.
I'm a little bit sick right now. So
No
yeah,
problem. Take care.
thank you. So my name meaning Aishwarya, it is represent the wealth, money, something like that. I hope so.
yes, yes,
As far
yes.
as I know.
That.
Yes,
Yeah,
prosperity
Aishwarya.
also.
Yeah,
Aishwarya.
Yeah,
prosperity.
prosperity.
There's another
Oh, we are two
Aishwarya there. She knows.
Aishwarya.
Yeah, it's me.
Hello.
Oh, great.
Hello.
Next is Ananya.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Meaning of my name is means totally different.
Unique.
I think unique, yes.
Yeah, great. Anjali.
Meaning of my name is offering of God. It's so simple.
Simple and cute.
Yes.
Disha.
Any more volunteers?
Disha.
Please share the name in English. Okay, okay, who's there?
Is Disha in the meeting? Disha Gupta. No problem. You can write the meaning of your name in the chat box. Till then, we can go to Gunjan. Gunjan. Bolo.
Sneha, why don't you tell us the meaning of your name?
Yeah, you tell us.
Okay, so the meaning of my name is affection.
Sneh, right? Sneha.
Okay, Hansa. Hansa sounded like a good name. Hansa, are you here? Guys, please unmute yourself. Moving on to the next. Who is next? Kushi. Kushi, we all know.
Hey Didi, hi everyone, and I'm
Hi.
sorry if there are any background noises, but the meaning of my name is happiness.
Yeah. Disha. Meaning of my name is direction, like one who can show the right direction. Yeah, great name indeed. Great. Next is Manisha. Manisha has posted in the chat box. Intelligence. Mm, you will be needing it in DU. Okay, next is Manshi. Manshi, are you there? Great, Kushi is the winner. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations. वैसे everybody did well, huh? Khushi
Yeah,
Kongo. She had answers for the movies which like so they were indeed
half
tough.
of the movies even I don't know.
Yes, yes, that is the point.
Okay. Next is Nisha. Manisha, other name of God is Saraswati.
Hello everyone.
Hi,
Hello. My name is Nisha and its meaning is night.
night. Oh,
Yeah.
great. Pooja. Pooja we all know.
Sneha realizes the meaning after she calls out the name.
Yeah.
खुशी तो पता है.
ठीक है, पूजा का skip कर देते हैं. प्राची बताइए. Missing meaning of my name. Yeah. Prachi.
Well, I read somewhere Prachi is related to first, Purab, Pratham, East. ऐसे ही आता है.
Clear नहीं पता तुझे भी.
हाँ यही बोलते हैं मतलब यही पढ़ा है. अर्बन डिक्शनरी में तो बहुत कुछ.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, I
Next,
read that.
next is Renu Bala Murmu. Very different name.
Good evening, Dave.
Uh,
Good evening.
Hello.
sorry.
The word Renu means Saundarya, or in English we call it sand,
Thanks.
and Bala means a little girl.
Oh, great. So where do you belong natively?
I'm from Dumka, Jharkhand.
You're from Jharkhand. Great. Do you like today's event?
Yeah, Dave, it was quite interesting.
Yeah. Thank you. If you join our club, then you can see
No,
it.
I haven't till now, but after interacting with you people, I feel quite interesting. I will surely
Yeah.
join.
Yeah. Great. Thank you. Next is Sakshi.
Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
Sorry, everyone.
No
Uh,
problem.
the meaning of my name is proof.
Proof. Yes, Renubala, you can share any different words with us. Till then, we will move forward to Shivangi. Do we have Shivangi?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. What's the meaning of your name?
एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैंने कभी मतलब थिंक ही नहीं करा कि क्या मीनिंग है क्या नहीं है आई रियली डोंट नो
You never searched in or on Google? कभी देखा नहीं?
नहीं अभी तक तो नहीं
मैं देखती हूँ एक
मे बी आई थिंक शिवांगी का मतलब है शिव जी का एक अंग।
Shivangi means
थैंक यू
beautiful.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah. Ready to Shiva, yeah.
Next is Shristha.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Actually, it is a Greek word
अब वो मरते
and
हुए
it
तो गाना नहीं बनाती हूँ.
and it's
Just a second. Prachi, can you mute yourself?
Sirishta
Yeah.
is a Greek word and it means crown, mukut.
Crown. Great. Next is Tanya.
You know, I just googled it just to be sure. So like Tanya means it's a Russian origin and it means fairy queen.
Oh, great. It suits you. Very great.
Thanks.
Okay, anyone else? If I have missed something, I don't know. Okay, so have you all filled the form? If yes, please post a yes in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Others, please post a yes if you have filled the form. If not, please fill it. This is the form. Yes, thank you so much everyone for joining. It was a great event. Thank you for being very artist throughout the event. It was a great event. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Council, please stay back. Nisha,